Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says let f be a differential function such that f of 1 equals 2 and f dash x is equal to f of x. Okay, this is very beautiful. So, we have f dash x equals to f of x. Okay, so first try to crack this situation. So do you know any function whose differentiation is same as the function? Exactly, it is e power x. So suppose that we have f of x as e power x, so don't you think that its differentiation will remain the same? But look at this, if you will use this idea, okay, so in place of x if you write 1, you have to write in place of y you should get 2. But suppose that you are trying to calculate f of 1, so you will be getting e, है ना? And this is not correct because you should get 2. Okay, so how we will manage this situation? Try to understand this part. So suppose that you have taken f of x as e power x. So 100% differentiation will become the same, e power x. But look at here. Suppose you have introduced another constant k. So now do the differentiation. So f dash x will remain the same, k times e power x. Okay. Now you have to calculate value of k. So how will you get that thing done? You will be using this idea. Means in place of x you have to put 1, in place of y you have to substitute 2. So f of x is nothing but y. So here you will be writing 2 k e power 1. So can I say that the value of k is 2 by e? So if you will use value of k as 2 by e, so f of x we have to write. So we have f of x equals 2 by e power x. So we got this thing, correct? Now what we have to do? We have to find h of x. Who is h of x? H of x is f of x. So first find h of x. So h of x is f of x. So in place of x of f of x, you have to write f of x. So we will be writing 2 by e power f of x, correct? Now just replace f of x with the real thing. So 2 by e power 2 by e power x, correct? So this is your h of x. Now try to calculate h dash x. So let's do it. So you know that 2 by e is a constant, so that thing will be taken outside. In differentiation of e power something will become e power something, 2 by e power x. Now you have to differentiate this x, and in place of x they are writing 2 by e constant outside e power x. So the differentiation of h of x is this. Now what we have to do? We have to find h dash 1. Now how we will calculate h dash 1? We will replace x with 1 and things are done. So we have 2 by e power 2 by e into e into 2 by e, we have e. Now this thing gone, you are left with e square. This thing gone, you are left with 2. Now if you'll observe, you have e square over here, you have e over here, so that thing will be neutralized, you will be left with e, and then 2 and 2 will become 4. So 4 times e. Therefore the required value is 4 times e. I hope the idea is clear. and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.